Good morning, dear students. Today's topic of discussion is environment protection and business. Now, you can have a question. What is the link between environment protection and business? Students, much of the environment pollution is created by business houses like factories. So that's why this is the connection between environment protection and business, that this is the responsibility of business houses now to protect the environment because it is polluted by them. So today's topic of discussion is environment protection and business. So first of all, I will discuss with you what is the need of environment protection. Need for pollution control. What is the need of controlling pollution? What is the need of protecting the environment? First is reduction of health hazards. Students, most of the health hazards like cancer, heart attack, asthma, all these are the result of environmental pollution. So to reduce these type of health hazard, there is great need of protecting the environment. Next is reduced risk of liability. Anyone who is affected because of the environmental pollution, that person can claim compensation from business organization. They can claim because they are ill because of environment protection. So in such a situation, business houses have to give big compensation to the persons who are claiming. So to protect ourselves from such type of liability, there is a great need of protecting the environment. And business houses must be very much careful. They should not pollute environment in any sense. Next is cost saving. Effective environment protection technique must be utilized by business organization. Such environment protection technique which are able to control the pollution, which are not so costly also. Because if business houses will not utilize effective environmental protection technique, then anybody can claim compensation who is suffered because of the environment pollution. So in such a situation, operating cost of business will increase. So to reduce the operating cost, effective environment protection technique must be installed. Improved public image. If a business organization is contributing in protecting the environment and they are not polluting environment, such business organizations are able to create good reputation among the public, and public will have more trust, more confidence in such type of organization. Other social benefits. There are different benefits if environment is protected. If our environment is clean, there will be clean buildings, clean environment as well as there will be clean surroundings and clear visibility also. So these will be the benefits of environment protection. So students, I discussed with you 5 points like reduction of health hazards, reduced risk of liability, cost saving, improved public image, other social benefits. Because of these reasons, there is a great need for pollution control. Now I will discuss with you role of business in environmental protection. As our environment is suffering because of the business houses, so now business has to take some steps to protect our environment. So the first step should be taken by business organization is top management commitment. Our top management should be totally committed towards protection of the business environment. They should create such type of work culture in business organization, and they should share same commitment with the whole organization as well as with the employees. Second, there should be clear-cut policies and programs to buy raw material. There should be clear-cut policy that good quality raw material will be purchased and superior technology of production will be used, as well as superior methods for the disposal of waste and chemicals will be utilized. Next is business organizations must follow laws and regulations enacted by the government. Whatever laws, rules, regulations created by government must be followed by every business house. Like factories will not be established in the residential areas. Next is to participate in environment and social welfare programs organized by government. For the protection of environment and for giving or encouraging people towards the protection of environment, government time to time organize so many social welfare programs. So every business house must participate in environment and social welfare programs. Next is business enterprise should conform to standards of production given under Ecomark. Business organization should produce such type of goods which are eco-friendly and they are conforming to the standards of production given under Ecomark. Under Ecomark, standard of production are given. So business organization should follow such standards and should produce eco-friendly products which are safe for our environment. Next is institution awards and prizes. Organizations which are doing well in protecting the environment, which are giving great contribution, such organizations should be given institutional awards and prizes by the government. Business organizations should take positive steps to protect the environment. Yes, business organizations should take positive steps to protect the environment. For example, planting more and more trees, cleaning the rivers, ponds, etc. Next is business firms should organize educational workshops and training programs in pollution control for its employees, and they should encourage their employees to participate in such type of workshops and training programs. Next is financial help to government and non-government for environmental protection. Business houses which are able to help government financially, they should give their contribution to government and non-government organizations for protecting the environment. Last point is an appropriate mechanism should be established for periodical assessment of pollution control programs in terms of cost and benefits. Time to time, periodically, business organization should assess that how much money they are contributing in pollution control programs and how much benefit they are getting. So they should assess this thing by utilizing appropriate mechanism. Like by making a green audit report, they can check how much they are contributing in pollution control and how much benefits they are getting. So here students, I discussed with you role of business in environmental protection. This is very much important. Every businessman should contribute in environmental protection. This is his moral duty. Thank you students.